Hello student, today we start chapter 2, that is the chapter exponent, and today we start with laws of exponents. In this chapter we have to study 6 formulas, but according to the questions I will deal formulas with you. So today we will study only 2 formulas. First is a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m plus n. Suppose we have 2 by 3 to the power 2 into again 2 by 3 again 2 by 3 because a by b and this one is also a by b, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. But power is m and n, that means different numbers. So 2 and suppose this one is 3. So lastly we can write a by b, that means again 2 by 3 to the power m plus n, that means we have to add both the powers 2 plus 3. And we can also write this one as 2 by 3 to the power 2 plus 3 is 5. I hope all of you understood first formula. Second one is a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. Suppose we have 2 by 3 again to the power minus 2. Then we can write b by a, that means 3 by 2, 2 by 3, and we have to reciprocal this 3 by 2 to the power n, that means this is minus 2 and this is, we have to write 2. Means we can write 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 as 3 by 2 to the power 2. I hope all of you understood this question also. So according to these two formulas, suppose I have to solve question 1, 2 by 7 to the power minus 5. This is according to the second formula. So how we have to solve? We can solve this one by, we can write this one as 7 by 2, b by a as 7 by 2 to the power n, and that means not minus 5, 5 only. And we can after that we have to solve this one, 7 by 2, how much times? 5 times we have to multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more time. We can write this one as so when we multiplied this 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, we got 16,807. And again this 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. This is our answer. So I hope you can solve these types of questions. So the next question is, suppose five to the power minus 3. So we can solve this one by, this is 5 only, nothing denominator, that means 1 is always present. So how we can write a by b as b by a? So this one we can write as 1 by 5 to the power minus 3, not minus 3, 3 only. So we can write this 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. So 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, and 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. This is our answer. Okay, one more question related with first formula is, suppose we have 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. In this 2 by 3 the power is minus 3 and this one is 2. So how to solve? As you know that according to formula we can write a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n as a by b to the power m plus n, that is minus 3 plus 2. So 2 by 3 to the power minus plus minus, and sign is of greater number. We have to put the sign of greater number. So 3 is greater and before 3 we have minus sign, so we have to put minus sign, and minus plus minus, that means 3 minus 2 is 1. So this one also we can solve. 2 by 3 as to the power minus 1 we can write as 3 by 2 to the power 1 by this second formula. And this one if we solve, then again 3 by 2 only we have. This one is our answer. So I hope you can solve question number 1 and 2 of your exercise 2A. Thank you.